Hello there and welcome to my video. This is just a quick video on how I did my angel makeup look and these wings, so if you like it, just keep watching. So first we're going to start with the wings. This is just the material that I used. So I took this plastic off from some wings I found in the garage. I have a piece of cloth, cardboard, another piece of cloth that I found, some feather boa, Velcro, the strongest glue you could possibly find, and a whole bunch of feathers. So first thing you want to do is take your piece of cloth, fold it in half, and cut it. Bada bing, bada boom, bam, you got two pieces of cloth now. So you're going to take one of the cloths, fold it over the little piece of plastic, and you're going to want to start gluing. Voila, you have the layout for your feather. You're just going to want to glue the feathers to the side. First, I'm taking the feather boa, measuring it out on the top, cutting off the excess, and just putting it to the side. So I'm starting to glue the feathers from the ends of the fabric, working my way up to the top. I did this on both sides, and I made sure to fill all the empty spaces with feathers. I'll link down Amy Serrano's video. I actually pulled inspiration from her video on how to make this, and she explains it a lot better, so I'll just link it down so you guys can watch it. And to elongate the feathers, I just glued more feathers to the bottom ends. I'm taking the feather boa and I'm hot gluing it to the top edge of the wings. So next you're going to take your three best friends and put them to work. I'm taking the cardboard, folding it over the fabric, cutting off the excess, and then I'm giving it a little consensual slap on the booty. Then I'm gluing the cardboard onto the fabric. I'm taking the double-sided Velcro, cutting off the excess, and I'm just adding it onto our little piece of cardboard that we got going on. So I'm positioning the wing at an angle. I'm cutting off a little corner at the end, putting glue on the inside corner of the wing and sliding it in. This didn't really work just because it wasn't stable, so I had to take away the entire piece and just tape it all together, which made it a lot more sturdier. And this is the end result of the wings. So now it's time for the makeup! Okay, so first I'm applying MAC's Soft Ochre all over my eyelid. Then I'm taking the color Wink from the Tartelette Tease palette and putting it on my crease and smoking it out. I'm also putting the same color on my lower lid and then smoking it out, connecting it to the top. Then I'm taking the white shimmery eyeshadow. This is from the Hypnôse Eyes palette from Lancôme, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. I'm also winging it out at the end corner of my eye. I'm taking this NYX white liquid liner and I'm looking straight into the mirror and drawing the line on top of my crease. This does take some practice, so you're going to want to start with small strokes and you're going to want to slowly build your way up. As you can see, I'm putting it on my lash line, winging it out and connecting it to where my crease is. Then I'm taking the same white eyeshadow and filling my entire lid up to the white eyeliner. Then I'm taking the same color from the Tartelette palette and blending out the edges. And this is the makeup look with just the eyeshadow and the eyeliner finished. Next, I'm taking the NYX Wonder Pencil in light and lining my lower lid. Then I'm taking the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Soft and Gentle and putting it all over my brow bone. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara and putting it on my top and lower lashes, then putting on some fake lashes over it. Then I'm taking the NYX Away Glow liquid highlighter in the color Daytime Halo in the inner corner, and then putting on some Wet n Wild MegaSparkle Confetti in the color Pink Sugar on top, and that is the finished look. I think a cute red lip would look good with this makeup, but since I was going out, I decided to put on a cute sparkly white mask that I got at my local 99, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you subscribe, and enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. And please check out my Depop. I sell so much clothes on there.